The POFJOEQ Cash Register Playset is a charming addition to any child's toy collection, featuring 48 captivating pieces that inspire imaginative play. Suitable for ages 3 and up, this set combines enjoyment with education, fostering financial literacy and basic math skills through its interactive and realistic elements. Featuring a functional calculator, the playset encourages children to practice arithmetic while enhancing their number skills in a fun and engaging way. Integrated within the cash register, the calculator provides an authentic experience that closely resembles a real store environment, opening the door to countless learning opportunities. The playset features a realistic scanner that emits a beeping sound when scanning items. This interactive element introduces children to modern retail experiences, making their pretend play more authentic and exciting. It helps them understand fundamental concepts of purchasing and inventory management in an enjoyable way. Colorful pretend play money and a credit card are included, equipping children with essential tools to understand transactions and money management. This feature encourages imaginative role-playing scenarios that are not only educational, but also enjoyable, helping to lay the groundwork for financial literacy from an early age. Assorted play food adds to the shopping experience, allowing kids to engage with a variety of items they might encounter in real stores. This assortment not only promotes exploration and curiosity, but also introduces children to different food groups and concepts of healthy eating. The playset is constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring both durability and safety for young players. Parents can have peace of mind knowing that this toy is built to endure vigorous play, while the components are designed to be large enough to eliminate choking hazards.
Interactive play is encouraged as children can engage in solo activities or collaborate with friends. This social interaction fosters the development of essential skills such as cooperation, turn-taking, and communication, all while participating in imaginative role-play scenarios. The playset is designed for ease of use, allowing children to dive right into play without the need for complicated assembly. Its straightforward setup ensures that kids can quickly immerse themselves in their imaginative adventures without any delays. The playset is designed to be compact and portable, making it easy to enjoy fun on the go. Its convenient design allows for effortless storage, ensuring that it can be taken along on vacations or day trips, so entertainment is always readily available. Children naturally develop problem-solving skills as they navigate various tasks, such as providing the correct change and selecting items to purchase. These activities encourage critical thinking and decision-making within a playful context, enhancing their cognitive abilities while having fun. More than simply a tool for teaching, this playset empowers children to unleash their creativity as they design their own stores and craft unique shopping experiences. It serves as a fantastic platform for them to build confidence while showcasing their imaginative ideas. As a versatile gift, this playset not only provides endless entertainment but also delivers valuable learning experiences that benefit children as they grow. It represents a meaningful investment in nurturing a child's development and creativity, fostering skills that will serve them well into the future. In summary, the POFJOEQ Cash Register Playset is an exceptional combination of entertainment, education, and safety. It encourages the development of essential life skills while providing an engaging and immersive play experience that benefits young minds. This makes it a valuable addition to any family's toy collection.